Hey folks, this is Priyansh, and in this video we'll be going to see how to use the CustomGPT's Discord bot using our RAG APIs. So how to find this repository where we have hosted all our code is best by going to Poll the People CustomGPT integrations. Links will be in the video descriptions. So we have sort of Discord, Facebook, Google Chat, Instagram, Microsoft Teams, Rocket Chat, Slack, Telegram, WhatsApp. Okay, all these bots, and now this video is specifically for the Discord thing. I will get it up and running for you, and I'll show you what all things you need to do. So let me just first show you the Discord bot that I already have added for testing purposes, but it's currently, you can see, offline. CustomGPT.ai bot, it's currently offline. If you want to see how to add this bot to this Discord project, you can go back again to the repositories readme section of this Discord bot and just follow this Discord bot setup, and you will exactly land up where I am right now in here. It's as straightforward. And for the purpose of this video, I'll be showing you running locally on my machine and interacting with the bot on Discord. There are several other methods of deployment like Railway. The steps are presented here. You can also use fly.io or Replit or Heroku or any other services where you want to host this backend service for yours. So the first of all, you need to clone this repository. You need to cd to Discord, install dependencies, and have some environment variables ready. So for that, you will need Discord bot token, your CustomGPT API key. If you don't already have, you can go and create one by going to app.customgpt.ai and going to developer section and creating a new API key. So that's how you do it. Coming back to it, agent ID. So you will be getting several agents with this. Let's say if I want to use this CustomGPT StarterKit agent ID, I can just go ahead, click on deploy section, and I'll see the agent ID right on top of my screen. So that's how like agents basically mean which data source your bot should refer to. So agents basically, you can have, maybe if you want to add this bot to your website, or you want your customers interact with your website via your Discord bot, you can add the source as data under this build section. I have added sitemaps for CustomGPT.ai. You can add sitemaps for your own website, and then that particular bot will have all the information for that website. So that's the thing, and these are optional fields which we'll discuss later if at all needed. These are advanced sections. So let's first get back to the code. Yeah, I'm here. I have already .env example file, which you can copy, of course. I have my tokens in my .env file. So let's go ahead and start with the first command. That will be pip install requirement.txt. So I'll just go copy. This will be my terminal. So okay, just let me, okay, by terminal, pip3 requirements.txt. So it says yeah, requirement already satisfied. Great. Now let me run python bot.py, and there are some errors. It says SSL certificate invalid. So let's debug it right in there, or I can just use wops AI to fix it for me. So basically it well, great, it solved the issue and our bot is running. So now it says, if I can make this a bit bigger for you to see, let me just close this right now. A CustomGPT bot has connected to Discord, and let me go back to my Discord, and you will see CustomGPT AI bot is now offline, which used to be is now online, which used to be offline. So now I've changed the project ID, so this command won't work. Now let me ask some other questions. So tell me about CustomGPT StarterKit. Yep, CustomGPT.bot is typing, and it should come with an answer in a few seconds. Yep, we're gonna get rid of this context thing. I just noticed this is a bug, but yeah, it answers, means CustomGPT is an open source UI designed for building applications, blah blah blah, is a part of CustomGPT's offering, which aims to simplify development and deployment. So what this StarterKit is basically is meaning here is we have one more project apart from this integrations thing, which is called as CustomGPT StarterKit. So basically this is a, you can say, chat GPT kind of UI open source UI that we have developed using our own APIs. You can manage, modify, customize however you want the look and feel of an AI screen or UI or RAG API that you want to see. So basically this is what it's referring, and this is added in the agent's knowledge base, so it's answering from there. So yeah, that's basically how the Discord bot used to work. And for more information on how you can use the commands, so you have ask, you have help, info, starters, reset, all these things will be present over here. You can also configure the rate limiting per user or per channel, and this is also optional Redis URL if you want to have some distributed rate limiting things, if you have like a huge traffic coming in to use your Discord bot. So yeah, that's it from my side. I'll just see you in the next video with other integrations like Slack, Telegram, and WhatsApp.